This is problem number 1 from section 4.2. In this problem it says a runner is working out on a straight track. The graph to the right shows the runner's distance y in hundreds of feet from the starting line after t minutes. Estimate the turning points, interpret each turning point. So, first of all, what's a turning point? A turning point is when the graph goes from increasing to decreasing, or from decreasing to increasing. So in this graph we have 1, 2, 3 different turning points here. Now those turning points are also typically known as the local extrema, but for right now we're going to refer to them as the turning points. And there's 1, 2, 3 turning points in this graph. Now let's do an estimation of those turning points. So one turning point occurs right here. I'm going to kind of mark it. That's at 1.9, comma, and that'd be basically 4. So 1.9 comma 4. And then if we go down here, this would be at 3 comma, that's about 1.1. And then if we look right here, that's at 4.1. And that's also back to 4. So what do each of these turning points stand for? Well, we know that the runner is this graph represents the distance the runner is from the starting line. So, and after a certain number of minutes. So right here it says that at like 1.1 minutes, he was actually at the starting line because he's 0 feet from the starting line. And then he starts his workout, and at about 1.9 minutes, he's 400 feet from the starting line. And then he gets back a little bit closer toward the starting line, and then starts to go away from the starting line, and then comes back a little closer until he finally gets back to the starting line. So each of these turning points are representing when the runner switches direction. So we can say that the turning points represent when the runner changes direction. So, starts to run away from the starting line. Now he's coming back toward the starting line. Now he's going away from the starting line. Now he's coming back until he gets back to the starting line at about looks like about 4.8 minutes.